good morning, good evening, good afternoon. My name is Dana, aka Matt Caster. Up on the LibriVox forum, I go by Magic Man. And I'm going to go over some things that have changed since they made the upgrade, and I would like to commend the admin and moderators team for making this happen. So, first thing, you're going to come in and log in. Now, the first thing you'll notice up here that's different is you have the private messages and you have the notifications. If somebody sends you a PM or if the board sends you a notification, those are going to be highlighted in red. Now, over here on the quick links, you'll see you can come to your post, any new post, unread post, and basically you just go down here and you'll see exactly what they do. So, you're going to click on the down arrow. User control panel or profile, they're both going to get you to the same place. The first thing you'll notice is the front page, and this is where you'll see all the announcements that the board has put out. It'll allow you to, here again, see your post count. The next one down is where you're going to manage your subscriptions. You can set it up to where if you post in a particular forum, it will automatically subscribe you to that forum. And then your bookmarks. If you're you want to bookmark a place, if you see something that you're interested in and you want to go back and check it out later, then this is where you would find your bookmarks. Now, if you're writing a post and you want to save it because you have to go or you want to do some research on it, then you would save that post as a draft. And here is where you would find your drafts. Okay. Now, manage attachments. As far as I know, I don't think the board allows members to upload attachments. So here's your notifications, manage notifications. So from that part, we're going to go into the profile. Here's where you're going to have your interest, your occupation, all this stuff you're going to fill out. But now when it comes down to Facebook and Google and YouTube, you don't put in the, HTTP, www. You simply put in what your name is. Now, to the admin, just so you know, PHPBB it's not really a bug, but in my community, I had to go in and actually set up other parameters because this will not work with YouTube. Okay, it works off the old channel name, and they've never changed it, and I don't know why. If you'd like me to send you a copy of that or what needs to be done, just send me a PM. And then we're going to go to edit the signature. And this is where you're going to find all this information. And then you're going to edit the account. Here's where you have your email address and your where you can change your password. And then there are no save remember me login keys. That's where you would find this. If you notice when you get ready to log in, you'll see that little checkbox that says remember me. Well, this is where they're put. Okay. Now from there we go to board preferences. Users can contact me. All this is basically the same. This is where you're going to set your time zone, and this is your date formats. Real simple, real easy to get there. Okay. Private messages. This is where you're going to have all your private messages. This is your inbox, your outbox, and your sent messages. And here you can even apply some rules and some folder settings. Okay. Now from there you go over to the user groups, which really doesn't affect you as a member. They just kind of tell you what they are. And here is where you will add your friends and your foes. Okay. Manage friends, manage foes. And then, like I said, you go back to the overview, and that's it, guys. And that's basically the setup for everything that concerns you as a member and how you can change them. Now, let's just go up to the forum. And we'll just go to introduce yourself here. Welcome of new volunteers. You can see that it's locked. Here's where you can subscribe to the topic. You can bookmark the topic. You can email the topic to somebody, or you can literally print this out. So if we bookmark this topic, okay, there it goes. It tells us it's been bookmarked. Now, if we go back down to our control panel, manage bookmark, and see, there we are. Okay. Okay, guys, and that's basically it. And at that point, of course, when you log out and we go to log back in, you see this right here, remember me? That's what that's for. That's where I told you about the keys. You would check that box. Take care. God bless. And we are out of here.